Hi everyone, and welcome to the episode 4 of Generative AI in Practice and Applications. Hope you are doing well and welcome to this fantastic journey. I'm Hamid Reza Hassani, PhD of Computer, AI ML researcher, and founder of DataBiox. As you know, in this series, I'm introducing some interesting features of Generative Fill introduced by Adobe. Maybe some of these are very simple for you, for many of you, but I think introducing these interesting and fantastic features encourage people to do more things and go to the deeper things and think how it works to make something new like this. Okay, in this episode I wanna teach you how to create some these pics from text. In the previous episodes you saw that we work on some pics and images, but in this episode, in this short episode, I wanna show you how to create an image like this from nothing, from just a text with this fantastic generative fill. Okay, so let's see how it is. Okay, first of all, go to Adobe. Then we can click on File, New, and then like this, and you can, for example, change this width and height, and then create. This is, as you see, this is this is blank, white blank, nothing is there. So I will select all of this area first of all and escape. I want to select all. This option here is not good. I will select Control A. Okay, Control A, or we'll go to edit, select, and select all. Okay, right here. Then here we will type, for example, a garden full of colorful fruits and nice animals. Okay, a garden full of colorful fruits and nice animals. Then generate. It will take a while to generate this pic from the text, and let's see what it will generate for us. As you know, since it is generative AI, so we expect that this generated pic is something different from this. Okay, and we will see what it looks like. Wow, nice. My guess was right, and you see this is totally different from this pics. This is the first generated one. You can also see the variations here. This is the next one. Wow, it's really nice. It's like a heaven. You see, and this is the third one. Okay, I think I like it. I like this one more than the others. This one, and also okay. Right now I want to expand this generated pic and see when it's extended, what would be this by generative AI. So I will select this, and as I teach to you in the previous episode, I will extend this by the dimension and size that I want, and then you can see here, and I can say generate, and I can click on this generate to generate the filled area by itself. Okay, let's see what will happen. I also hope that you are like me enjoying these fantastic features. Okay. Well, great. That's very nice. Yeah, I can see that we have something new. Yeah. Great. Yeah. And I think the second one was my favorite. And for another example that you see here, it's a garden full of birds. You can see here, yeah, a garden full of birds and fruits. So file new, then we will say we will control A, then a modern garden full of and food. Let's see what it will generate for us. Meanwhile, if you had any comments or questions about my contents in this episode or previous episodes, I will highly appreciate if you share your comments and ideas and feedbacks to me. And I'm really happy to share with you that today in 23 December 2023, I've reached more than 3.5 millions of views and also 31,000 of hours of watch, and I'm really appreciate and thank you for your attention and support. So we can see this is a garden, but I don't see the these are many fruits, and but I did yeah, here is a here is a bird. Okay, as you see, these are generative art, and for the last one, I am very curious to see that a modern city, yeah, let me create a modern city, a modern city with animals and nature. Let's see the combination of nature and modernization. Maybe it's the future. Right now we also see this in our life. For example, you go to a very modern shopping mall and you see some trees and some natural things. So let's see what AI generate for us in this context. And I also want to say you that in the next episode I want to introduce you some other tools. Oh wow, it's nice, a conceptual pic. Yeah, that's nice. It is great. Okay, so I hope that we have a nice future, we have a better future, and we can help each other to have a better future and better world. Hope this episode was useful and informative for you. Thanks for your attention and support, and many thanks for your time. Hope see you in the next episode. Bye.